Hi, welcome to Genius channel. My name is S. Vijay Jagdish. In this class video, we are going to discuss about NDA previous question paper 2017 history only. Okay, so we have already done different subjects. This is about history. So first question. So before proceeding, first question, I'll tell you total of 16 questions have come from this. Total of 16 question has come from this history. Okay, which includes the ancient India, modern India, medieval India, world history, all types of history. We totally see it is total of 16 question has come from history. So with that, we'll discuss in this video. Let us start. So first question is which one of the following statement regarding Krishna Devaraya, okay, King Krishna Devaraya is not correct. So very important that you understand what they're asking, not correct or correct. Okay, so he's a great scholar of Telugu and Sanskrit. Okay, that is absolutely correct. Okay, foreign traveler Pays and Nunes visited his court. That is also absolutely correct. Barbosa praised him for the great justice, equity prevailing in his empire. That is also correct. Okay, but what is wrong? Okay, he wrote his magnum opus, Amyukta Malya, in Sanskrit. That is not correct because it is in English. Sorry, and that is in Telugu. Okay, so write down that. Okay, this is wrong. It should be. It was in Telugu. Okay, it is regarded to be the epic in Telugu. Krishnadevaraya wrote Amyukta Malya in Telugu. Clear? Yeah. Next, let us see the next question. Next question. I'm seeing only history here. Okay. Which one of the following? Which one of the following of the revolt? One of the following was not a cause of the revolt of 1857. So here, the rumor that the British had mixed the bone dust of cow and pig into the flour being sold in market, that is true. Okay, the prophecy that British rule would come to an end, that was an assumption. Like we had Battle of Plassey in 1857, so 100 years later we are going to remove them. Okay, so this was also it was also being said. Okay, popular discontent in the British rule, that is also true. It is the most important reason for 1857 revolt. Okay, what is not correct is this one. Okay, that Kali Yuga will return to Ram Rajya. All these are. It was not thought that way. So religious aspect was not there in the British revolt in 1857. So answer will be D. Next comes question number 114. Yeah. Which among the following was not a feature of subsidiary alliance? Subsidiary alliance was brought by Wellesley in 1708. Okay, under which the Indian kingdom will be taken over by the Britishers. Okay, now here they're asking which is not correct. Okay, so let us see. The British were responsible for protecting the ally from any external threat. True, that is true. Okay, all internal threats were to be handled by the ally alone with the no help of help from British. That is wrong. Okay, both external as well as internal threat will be taken care by the British. Okay, the ally was to provide resources for maintaining British armed contingent stationed in the territory. That is true. They have to provide a salary. Okay, they have to provide them food. Okay, everything. Okay, provide resources. True. Then comes the ally could not enter any agreement with other rulers without the permission of British. That is also, it was almost like the territory is being taken over by the British. Okay, subsidiary alliance is a one method of taking over the Indian administration, Indian kingdom by the British. Okay, it was devised by Wellesley in 1708. Okay. So I'm history. I'm solving history only. So I'll be skipping the other questions again because other questions we are solving in other video. Okay, so I don't want to mix too many things in a same video. Get confused. So this is history question. The question is 128. Who among the following is the author of philosophy? The book called Philosophy of Bomb. Okay. Okay. The answer is Yashpal. Okay, answer is Yashpal. Okay, philosophy of bomb. So write down the notebook, philosophy of bomb, and Yashpal. So the takeaway from the news, from the previous question paper is that you learn, okay, a new concept which you have not learned. Okay, all this information clear. So let us go to the next question. Yeah, which among the following statement Chittagong group is not correct. Chittagong group is not correct. So you have to definitely see what they're asking. They're asking not correct or correct. Okay, here they're asking not correct. Its membership include a large number of youth, including Ganesh Ghosh, Loknath Baul, and Anant Singh. That is absolutely correct. Anyway, note down these names. Okay, if maybe if they are recycling this question, they can ask. Okay, its leader Surya Sen had been lawyer in Dhaka before joining the group. That is wrong. Okay, he was a teacher. Okay, Surya Sen was a teacher. If you see, that is why you have to see the historical movies also. There was a movie on this also, Chittagong, right? I think Akshay Kumar. I don't remember, but if you see that movie, you can understand. But basically, as we read history, we know Surya Sen was a teacher. Okay, so he was a teacher. Okay, but he was known as Master Surya Sen. Okay, not Vijay movie, but it was originally known as Master. Okay, okay. Then. Yeah, Surya Sen and his group were closely associated with the Congress work in Chittagong. That is also true. This group has prepared an action plan to occupy the armory in the Chittagong. That is also Chittagong armory raid they did. Okay, but what problem they did? No, they took away all the guns, but they forgot to take the bullets. Okay, or they did not know that the bullet also has to be taken. Okay, so after first round, all these people exhausted their bullets and they were arrested. All this happens in India. Okay, then question number 113. I told you already total of 16 questions has come from history alone. Okay, so this is about Quit India movement. Okay, which among the following was a significant feature of the Quit India movement? Okay, so every movement has got one significant moment. For example, if you look at non-cooperation movement, the most significant part is the surrendering of titles. Write down surrendering of titles. Okay, surrendering of titles. That is the most important feature. Okay, likewise in Quit India movement, if you look at Quit India movement, the most important or the most significant feature is this one. Okay, it was marked by the emergence of parallel government. Okay, parallel government. Okay, Prati Sarkar, Jati Sarkar. Okay, like this we had a lot of sarkars, parallel government. Okay, other things are also correct. I'm not saying wrong. Okay, this is also true. Okay, this was also true. Okay, it is also true. But they're asking significant feature. What is significant? What is the most significant feature which did not happen in other things? Okay, okay. But that is also not correct. Actually, this one. This one. Okay, this one. The women did not play important role in the movement is wrong. Okay, because we had Aruna Asaf Ali. Write down the name Aruna Asaf Ali. Okay, Asif Ali. Okay, so a lot of people were there, women were there. So this statement is not completely correct. So they're asking significant moment of Quit India movement, then parallel government. Significant moment of NCM, non-cooperation movement, surrendering of titles. Clear? Now let us go to the next question. Yeah, Khilafat movement. The question is about Khilafat movement. Which among the following characters does not describe? Does not. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi sound to link the Quit India movement, sorry, non-cooperation movement with this. That is true. It was not supported by the Congress. That is wrong. Congress supported the Khilafat movement. Congress supported the Khilafat movement. So that is not correct. So it demanded the Turkish Sultan must retain control over the Muslim sector. See, actually, what happens? The entire Khilafat movement has nothing to do with India directly. Okay, because the Ottoman Empire was defeated in the First World War, they wanted to restore the powers of Ottoman Empire because he was regarded to be the leader of Muslims. Okay, so the Ali brothers, write down that. Okay, the Ali brothers who started this. Ali brothers who started this. Okay, they wanted this to be, that means retain the control. They wanted the British to retain all the control. You can give back the territory to the Sultan. Okay, it was led by Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. That is what Ali brothers. Clear. So it was supported by the Congress. Okay, so railways in India. Okay, next question is railways in India. Railways in India. Okay, so which of them is not correct? Okay, that's railways in colonial rule. It maintained its main purpose was setting up of railways in to serve the interest of the British. Yes, to reach to the hinterland, take the resources, come to the port and export to the British. Okay, so it is very important that it was created for the British welfare only, not for the Indians' welfare. But Indians also get benefited. It integrated the India. That is this one. Then British capital investment were invited with 15% guarantee. This is actually wrong. Okay, why it is wrong? Because it is not 15%, it was actually 5%. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, 132B is the answer. Okay, the construction work disturbed ecology. Obviously, the construction of the railways was planned such a way that it is connected the internal market with the port. I told it is such a way that you are connecting the market as well as raw material areas to the port. Okay, to the port, but provided no interconnection between the internal market. That is also true. Okay, because they wanted to serve only the British interest. Clear, guys? Which colonial administrator made the following declaration? Okay, what is the declaration? The declaration is Bengal united is a power. Bengal divided will pull in different ways, and this is perfectly true. And one of the merit of the scheme. That means the partition of Bengal they are doing. In the partition of Bengal doing, they are saying that it is we are dividing it so that Bengal is Bengal is actually getting disintegrated. Okay, who said that? Normally people will think that it will be Carson. No, it was actually Hutchess Risley. Okay, if you look at the book, the NCERT itself, it has been said. Also, it is there in the Spectrum book. Okay, if you look at a brief history of modern India, okay, it is also mentioned there. Okay, so answer is H.S. Risley. Then comes question number 134. Okay. Who launched Bardoli Satyagraha on 4th February 1928? The answer is very simple. It is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. Then, which among the following princely state did not support the civil disobedience movement? Did not support the civil disobedience movement. Okay. The answer is Mysore. Answer is Mysore. Okay. Then the question is, which among the following is the thought and philosophy of Kandukuri Veeraslingam? The answer is he supported or believed in universal education. He believed in universal education. Universal education. Okay, now next question is about medieval India. Akbar's court, there was one calligrapher, that means who writes, okay, writer. They write very beautifully. You have to see that. Okay, he was known by the name Zareen Kalam, that means golden pen. Okay, the answer is Muhammad Hussain. Muhammad Hussain. Muhammad Hussain is the answer. Abu Fasal, you may know. Abu Fasal is a person who wrote a biography of Akbar. It was known as Akbar. It was known as Akbarnama. It was known as Akbarnama. Abu Fasal. Yeah, if you want, I can write it here. Akbarnama. Okay. Next question is question number 145. Who was the author of Badshah Nama? Okay, now I told you Akbar Nama is Abu Fazl. This is Badshah Nama. Okay, Badshah Nama. The answer is Abdul Hamid Lahori. Okay, answer is A. Abdul Hamid Lahori. Okay, question number 147. 147. Third World Trauma Congress recently happened. Okay, what is the answer? Answer is Dhaka. Not Dhaka, sorry. It is in New Delhi. New Delhi. Okay. So these are the questions has come from history. Other subjects I have already added or going to add in the YouTube channel itself. And we are also providing full coaching for India online as well as offline. You can always contact us. The number is 99959 16183. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.